Hello traders, you are welcome to this review of the Genesis VIP Expert Advisor. But before we dive into the details, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are taking a close objective look at Genesis VIP. It is an automated trading tool listed on the MQL5 marketplace. Now, based strictly on the developer's official product details, Genesis VIP is available for MetaTrader 4. So if you are using the MetaTrader 4 platform, then you can consider making use of this EA if you are interested in it, obviously. So looking at the marketplace listing, the advisor is created by developer Dmitry Evgenovich Co. and is currently on version 1.25. It is available for a one-time purchase price of 1,499 US dollars, or you can opt for rental options at 364 US dollars for 1 month or 564 US dollars for 3 months, which offers a 48% savings. Now, according to the developer's description, the EA focuses on trading XAUUSD on the MetaTrader 4 platform. All right, across time frames ranging from M5 to H1. Okay, so its core approach centers around level breakouts, identifying key support and resistance areas and confirming entries with volume. The listing highlights several customizable features, including automatic or fixed lot sizing, adjustable risk parameters, automated stop loss, and take profit levels based on market volatility, and a trailing stop mechanism as well. Okay, so it's also features a built-in news filter designed to pause trading during high impact economic news releases. The developer recommends a minimum deposit of $300, preferably on low spread ECN or raw spread accounts. All right, and it suggests using a VPS for uninterrupted continuous operation. Now, let us transition directly into evaluating its historical performance. Okay, let's head over to the strategy tester right away. And I conducted this test on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame as recommended. The test covered the period from late April 2026 to late July 2026. All right, so looking at the settings used, okay, let's just go to the tester report. All right, so looking at the settings used, it ran with a fixed lot size of 0.01 on a $10,000 initial deposit. Okay, utilizing trailing parameters and a time filter, while the news filter was turned off for this specific run. All right, so observing the chart and the trade history, from this backtest, we can see how the EA handles market structure. Entries occurred frequently, with positions quickly managing risk using tight stop loss adjustments and trailing stops to capture short-term price movements. Okay, so over the course of the 3-month testing period, the EA generated a total of 865 trades, and out of these 865 trades, 779 trades were profitable, giving it an observed historical win rate of roughly 90%. Okay, the long positions achieved an 88.79% win rate, while the short positions landed at 91.46%. Okay, so looking at the overall performance metrics, the test ended with a total net profit of $1,462.32, which represents roughly 14.6% return on the starting equity. So one key metric to point out is the drawdown. The maximal drawdown observed during this period was $63.82, or just 0.58% relative to the account equity. All right. And this low drawdown factor resulted in an exceptionally high historical profit factor of 54.14, largely because losing trades were capped very small. All right. Averaging minus 32 cents per loss. All right. We can see that the maximum the largest loss was just 32 cents. You can see that here, right? While the largest profit was $93.85. All right. So the average profit was $1.91, while the average loss was just 32 cents. Okay. So now, while these historical results present a very smooth equity curve, we can see that here. It presents a very smooth equity curve with minimal drawdown during this specific 3-month window. It is essential to keep a few things in perspective. All right. Past performance in backtesting is never a guarantee of future live performance. All right. So historical tests rely on historical market conditions and broker data, whereas real market execution involves variable spreads, slippage, and broker execution speeds. Furthermore, the developer explicitly notes that marketplace screenshots and backtests often reflect optimized parameters. All right. So, in summary, Genesis VIP appears to be a highly structured breakout system tailored specifically for MT4 gold traders who prefer controlled risk management and customizable filtering tools. However, because market conditions constantly change, no expert advisor is suitable for every trader or account setup. So I'm going to strongly recommend running your own long-term historical testing and forward testing on a demo account. Forward test the expert advisor on a demo account first to evaluate how it performs under your specific broker conditions. All right. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.